Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this ring light. Actually this is square light in home. This is very easy and useful. I am using this light for my craft making, and after using this light my recording quality really increase. In the same stand I can use mobile or DSLR. I use 12 volt 60 watt 5 meter LED strip to make this ring light. So I am taking a 25 centimeter square size cardboard and aluminium frame. This is for SMD aluminium frame. You can get it in market anywhere, even Amazon or somewhere also you'll get it. I'll give the link in the description. So two aluminum profile I'm keeping parallel and marking on a cardboard. So all four side I have to mark it and then cut it from center one. So I'll get one hollow kind of profile. So this cardboard profile is ready. Top of that I will put a aluminum profile, but I'm using black color tape to cover the edges, because edges will be not look good after cutting it. If I put a black tape or any kind of tape, then it will give an aesthetic look. I am using Fevibond glue to fix the aluminum profile on the cardboard. You can use silica or any kind of glue which one can hold the aluminum profile on the cardboard. One side only I am putting the Fevibond, then fixing the profile on the cardboard. I am using 60 watt LED light strip, so aluminum profile is required for heat dissipation. All four side I have covered with aluminum profile, and all four corner I will make some hole with a screwdriver or anything, any keel or drill machine you can use it to make a hole. On that hole I'll put some nut and bolt to hold this light on a camera stand. Backside I am using simple plastic belt kind of thing to hold this ring light on the camera stand. You can use it anything, you can use velcro or cloth or anything to hold it on the camera stand. This is really helpful, trust me. I am using it and I am feeling the image recording quality and photography quality is increased. All four side I have put at the nut bolt. Now I'll put LED strip. So this is the 5 meter LED strip, white color I am using. In LED strip there will be a mark to cut the strip. So on that portion only I am cutting and fixing the LED stick on the aluminum profile. Outer side and center side also I'll give two LED strip parallel, then fix it with the adhesive it has inbuilt. Just bottom side the plastic ribbon you have to remove and it will fix it automatically on the aluminum profile. See, I have given outer side two line of strip and center one line, but after that in future I will use center also two line of LED strip. So total 5 meter I can cover it. So on a positive side where it is mentioned DC 12 volt plus, there I am putting red wire, and ground one for the negative I am using black wire. And anyhow, this is not for the electrical channel, this is for art and craft, and I am showing this one because this is really useful for photography and night time shooting, daytime shooting also it can be useful. I use a simple switch to control this light, and it is too bright. My camera cannot capture it properly. With aluminum profile you'll get this plastic sheet. This is work as a diffuser. So just fix the plastic sheet top of the aluminum profile properly. It is done. So LED wise, outer side LED we cannot see, only center one. I am using because sometimes sharp light required, not a diffuse light, to record something. See, this is with a full brightness, 60 watt light, and you can notice the brightness here. If I switch off the light, it will be look like this. The glaziness and shining will come with this ring light. So this is normal tube light, 2 tube light I am using from top side. Now I switch on the outer side ring light, and now I'll switch on the center one. See the brightness, glaziness, the reflection, everything increased. If you like this idea, please subscribe my channel and please follow me.